Okay, I'm not agree with your point because you said if you are able to give dowry, you can give. But if you are able to earn money, if you are able to secure your future, and why are you taking dowry?
Become a good man, like your success, luxurious life, car, paisa. So sometime I think I prefer.
Can take the daughters and groom, not the bride. Bride also take the all expenses of like mehdi, rasams, and engagement. So they are.
First of all, I just want to tell you that just we have gathered means we are sitting here for having the discussion on the topic of dowry system. So is it bad or good? So according to my points, the dowry system, it is a social evil, right? And it bridal's family is forced to give the some money and give to the groom's family. So I want to say now that is it good or not, and it should be banned or not?
Dowry should be banned.
Why it should be banned?
There's a many thing like in bride family there's a very precious to give groom family properties and many thing like money. That's why.
Firstly, I want to introduce myself. Myself, Muhammad Azam, and I am favor of dowry should not be banned because it was running in our ancient time. The groom side give some gifts of their daughter, so after marriage they can start a happy and wealthy life with their husband. So I think it is not completely wrong, but maybe some persons or society pressures in the misuse of the dowry, you can say this is the bad. But if we make some qualities and we can make the dowry system good. Thank you.
According to me, dowry system should be banned because many girls suicide and some girls killed by Brom's family. That's why dowry system should.
Ms. Mohammed Imran. Uh, I agree with you, but if I able to give the dowry, so what is the problem?
Not agree with your point because you said if you are able to give dowry, you can give. But if you are able to earn money, if you are able to secure your future, and why are you taking dowry?
Have more money. So
Yes.
what I do? So it's better for some time. I'm not supporting the dowry, but sometime if I able, so I can give.
You said you can, if sometime you can afford, but in this era many people are suffering from lacking of money and they can't afford to give dowry, and it is a heavy burden on girls for family.
I just want to give the answer. You only see the one side of dowry system.
Yes.
You according to you, you said that if anyone can't give the dowry to their daughter, so you have to only see the another side. How hard work do the person to make their home and teach their son, and after all things, when he got the great job and do the very well in their life, then he want also a girl with a very high level, so he can match their level. So then if their granddaughter I sorry give the dowry, so that it's make be.
Many things. Then why do you need dowry? Why do you need dowry?
Many girls wants become a good man, like your success, luxurious life, car, paisa. So sometime I think I prefer dowry.
My point is, if you are able to earn and if you had money, you can also share with her, and you can also take care, like, and if you don't take, I think it's my, according to me, if you don't take dowry, then you should live happily.
But I think many girls wants dowry. So what do you think about that?
No, it's
No,
not right
that is
because
true. I'm not agree. Many girls want a dowry, like luxurious life, car, money.
yeah,
That is true.
your answer is, but she's expecting from you, she's or not want to take from their family, not
If you
give.
accepted good man,
Yes.
money, car, so why can I not accepted this?
But it's not right, sir, because you have to give them and it's your right.
Want to say all things and all stuffs do only man sides,
Yes.
so their all responsibility is ours. You do not want to uh, on any take responsibility. In this era, males and females are equal, so we want to say that 50% and 50% both side if give the their goods and take the responsibility. That's time we are both equal and give live a happy life. So I think it should be not banned proper.
But if you talk about responsibility, you see, if girls go their go in laws, then they take whole family's responsibility.
So what's about you alimony?
What?
Alimony.
Yeah.
After married, many girls take the divorce and they demand the alimony for boys' whole careers, money and properties. So dowry and alimony, I think should be both are banned or not.
I think alimony is right. It's yes, sir.
If
But sometimes if you
you want to say alimony is right and dowry is wrong,
yes, sir.
so how can it possible? If we give you money, that
Because
is right.
parents give their daughter, it's the biggest thing.
Alimony give the boy side
Yes,
and the dowry give the girl side. But the dowry's benefits 80% take the daughters and groom, not the bride. Bride also take the all expenses of like mehdi, rasams and engagement. So they are always in loss. So what you say?